How to turn off Shein notifications. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Vesnad, and today I'll guide you on how you can turn off your Shein notifications. Now as you know, Shein sends a lot of push notifications and other notifications which can be quite a bit annoying, right? So here is how you can toggle it off. Now if you open up Shein app and if you try to do so within the app, then you won't get any option for notifications on the application. I'll just show you right here. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and head into settings on your device. Once on settings, what you can do is you can scroll down and head into the apps option. Now here you can see apps option, head into apps. Once on your apps option, you want to search in for Shein here. Once you search in for Shein, tap on it and open it up, and you can see the very first option that says notifications, and you can see that it says allowed. So you want to tap on it and you want to see, you can see there allow notifications option. You want to toggle this off and all your Shein notifications will be turned off and you won't get any kind of notifications from Shein. So this way you can turn off Shein notifications. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.